Create a DIY letter standee for your events. Here are the materials needed. 1. Measure the sides. Make sure that it is 3 inches in width and 12 inches in height. 2. Create a base lined letter. Draw a base using your pencil and ruler. 3. Cut the baseline you draw using scissors or cutter, but just a reminder to use it very carefully. 4. Make another baseline for the letter, but this time it is for the other side. Again, cut it carefully as well. 5. Attach the side that you created using the tape to the baseline you draw. 6. Create a triangle that fits the center of the letter. It also covers up the spaces as well. 7. Check all the sides, make sure that all is attached to each other properly. 8. Cover the letter using the crepe paper and paste it using glue. It adds glossy and color to the standee. Here is the final look. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey you, have you heard about Temu? Well, it is like Amazon, but the products are a lot more cheaper, like toys, beauty products, and more. Download the app by clicking the link below. Or just download it on App Store or Play Store and put the code FM78 for 11 to get $100 voucher.